Welcome to a video by abronexports. This is a demonstration video for assembling of the telescope. This is astronomical telescope where we have three legs here, adjustable angle. This can be height can be adjusted. There, this one is a plate for keeping the eyepieces. These are the eyepieces. Two eyepieces are here. 1/3 eyepiece is here. So this is a focusing telescope for pointer. We adjust. First of all, when it reaches you, it comes here in this point telescope. Here we tells you focal length is 600 mm. Objective is 60 mm. 60 mm is the diameter of this telescope diameter. The head of the this head is 60 mm dia. Three lenses are there. 4x objective is eyepiece is there 4x, 12.5 mm and 20 mm dia. Eyepiece is one erect eyepiece is 1.5 and 1.3x Barlow lens is magnification 5.25. When it reaches you, it comes with the three legs. Here we have the 1, 2, 3 legs. Here we assemble this part and this center part. First of all, equinoctial part is assembled with the through screw. The box comes, one small box will be there. It is placed here. Box comes with the three screws for the legs, stopping and fitting the legs to this part, and then there is one part, central part and part of the for keeping your disc. This is placed here in the screws. This one is a screw. Here we fit this screw, and these are the two screws for fitting this telescope part. Here it is like this. Now I tell you here, two screws for fitting telescope. These are the three screws. You have to adjust the head, and this plate part adjustment you have to fit by these three screws are there. These are the three screws for fixing the length of the head of this, so that it does that. Then the last setting is the fitting of the rod. This is for adjustment of the rod, so that it does not move. This is a small movement of the micro movement of the telescope. Here we can bring the sample in the center. Here we have the two movements. One is movement is this, second movement is this, and third movement is a little angle here. Here we have the telescope where we fit this section part, and this section is fitted by these screws, and then this telescope is fitted from here. The telescope is, this one is a telescope. It is fitted here. This one is a holder for telescope. This is a holder for telescope. This part is a holder for telescope. You see this part, and then these are after fitting. This is a right angle prism, right angle eyepiece holder. Here we have fitted it here. We have to unscrew these and then fit it. After fitting all these parts, you should tight all these. These are tight so that it does not move. After fitting these, all the tights, and this also tight. Then you have to see the image. Now I can focus this tower, mobile tower, which is on the front side. Here we can see the tower. We are trying to see the disc on the top with the telescope, which is quite small, visible. We focus this this is a focusing of the eyepiece. Here we focus with the eyepiece and then check it. Here we bring the sample in the tower. Here we bring the tower in the center like this. You see this tower is visible. Then we focus this tower by using this pointer and try to bring this. Let me show you how we bring it. We just move it, lose little bit, focus from here, check it, the tower on this angle. You can now see the angle here. I can see it, and then when it is visible, I can tight this. This angle is to be adjusted, and then you have to tighten. This is the initial setting. As far as setting is concerned, this is the initial setting, and then you have to focus using this eyepiece. Let me show you if something is visible on the mobile. I can show you if possible something. See, this mobile tower is visible. I can focus it, change it, and then see this. Then you see this now. It is almost 150 times bigger. If I put the Barley lens here inside, let me show you how we put the Barley tube, 3x tube. We open this part, fit the second part here, second, and then this is 3x Barley. You can see this is 3x Barley here, and we are putting this eyepiece 12.5, and then the magnification due to this, as sample product focus will change and it will become 1.5x. It is almost 1.5x. Now this, see this bigger, it has become bigger. Image is more than 2-3 times. And then another one is there. You can see the magnification chart. It is there on the booklet. You can see this booklet. Here we have the magnification chart with the different Barley. This is eyepiece 12.5 56 times, and with the 1.5 Barley 80 times, and with 3x Barley 168 times. So these are the magnifications available. And then fit this and adjust it so that you can see this, and then slowly you can check up and WhatsApp on 99922222049, and there is 94160200018. This is telescope fitting and viewing, very easy. First of all, you should adjust and see only small object with the without Barley, without removing this, only right angle, and then you can remove it once again. This also I can show you that this is actual use. You can use telescope either by right angle prism or by removing this. You can see, put it here directly, and then this is now direct viewing, but difficult to use immediately. As a start, you should practice this, how to see this, by putting right angle here and then eyepiece here, easy, so that you can sit and view this, adjust the angle. First of all, try using this telescope by adjusting the angles. See in the daylight some far off objects, some far off birds view, and then telescope and all these. So then you can go with a higher magnification, and then try to see the moon and then the planets of the Saturn and Jupiter. Different planets can be seen. Thank you very much.